Find yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Alright, hey you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So today I've got a things I have been loving lately video for you guys. It's mainly beauty. I have a few, like 2 home things I think, but it's mainly just beauty products. For some reason, y'all, I have been going back to older products I used to use back in the day. But yeah, so I've got a few old, a few new up in here, but I'm gonna try and make this as quick as possible because I don't want to hold y'all. Just in case you haven't already, let me remind you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not, like I just said, and also make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you guys. I would really appreciate it. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive right on in. So y'all, keep in mind, these products may be old to you, but they're new to me. Let's start off with the e.l.f. primer. I feel so horrible talking about this primer, you guys, because I had never picked it up. I know it's an old product. I know everyone loves this, but I have been using it now for probably about a month straight, and I get the hype. Totally get the hype. I absolutely think it's much better than the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I never really got the whole like hoopla about the Hydro Grip primers. That's why I kept buying like the mini ones, and then I would like never use it. I'm not a big primer girl anyways, but lately I have been absolutely loving this Hydro Grip. But honestly, I see a difference in my makeup. It lasts so much longer throughout the day, and it's cheap. It's what, like $6 or $9, something like that, you guys. So I will definitely be repurchasing this. Next, you guys, I'm probably gonna say this wrong, but it is what it is. But it's the Avene. It's the thermal spring water. Y'all, I got this a while back, sometime like at the end of last year. And it had just been sitting underneath my counter. But when I started to use my snail mucin, and I needed like just extra hydration just because of, you know, just being in your mid-30s, going through things, my skin just started to feel a lot drier than normal. I have been loving this. Years ago, I think it was the Evian. I think Evian has a spray, like a thermal spring water spray or whatever. I used to use that like kind of off and on, but kind of always thought these were a little bit gimmicky, you know what I mean? But I don't know, lately I have been reaching for this. I'm not really sure where to pick this up. I got mine in a PR package from Amazon, so of course they probably have it, but I like it. I feel like it would definitely help all year round. It's going to help rehydrate your face. I don't know if it's completely necessary in skincare or makeup or whatever, but I like it. So I have been absolutely loving this Bloom cream. It's a daily moisturizer from Beekman 1802. Basically, they just sent this to me with nothing in return, just sending it out as PR. And honestly, I love it. I had never heard of this brand Beekman 1802 before they reached out, but I'm so glad they did. It just moisturizes and hydrates my face really well, you guys. I do have combination oily, acne prone skin, so I'm very touchy, very, you know, not necessarily sensitive, but I just don't put a whole bunch of moisturizers and things like heavy creams on my face because my skin is already so oily. But oily skin still needs moisture. So one thing that I really look for is it lightweight? This one isn't super lightweight, but it's still light. I've been wearing it this summer nonstop, and it's also travel friendly. You just like push this little pump and the cream comes out, and it has a cap to it. I have been using this so much more than I've used anything else, any other moisturizer, and I use this day and night, you guys. Next, you guys, really quickly, y'all know I am not a scent person. Like, I am good with like Dove soap or Olay soap and lightweight lotion. I don't really do perfumes. I own like 2 roller balls, you guys. They just give me headaches so quick. I don't know what it is about me or whatever. The closest I have to perfume or sprays or body sprays, anything like that, is in lotion form. So like Dior lotion or the Chloe lotion, I have those. But lately, y'all, I have really been liking, which is odd for me, the Sol de Janeiro, the Rio Radiance fragrance. So I had to look up what they say it smells like because I couldn't describe it at all, you guys. So the fragrance description is a solar floral perfume mist with creamy coconut milk, clean white florals that evoke the warmth of sunshine on the skin, the epitome of nostalgia. I didn't think I would be pulling for this scent as much as I have been because I don't like vanilla and I don't like coconut, so it is really odd for me to be wearing, but I've been liking it for the summer, so I just wanted to put it out there. You don't need a lot of it. Well, I don't need a lot of it. I just need a few sprays. I sprayed in my hair, my body, and I am good to go. Next, you guys, I'm gonna do two skincare products for you. So I just picked this one up. This is the Paula's Choice Perfectly Balanced Foaming Cleanser. It lathers really well, it removes oil and makeup, and it helps to protect your skin barrier as well. I like to have just kind of like a plain cleanser with not much going on in it, and this does a really good job. My skin does not feel stripped after using this. It feels really clean. You don't need a lot of this, so just put a little bit, maybe a little bit like a dime size amount in my hands, lather it up. It lathers really well, and I just use my hands, massage it in, and then rinse my face. Just by the little amount that you need to use, this is going to last me quite a while, and this is for normal to oily combination skin, you guys. So my next skincare product right here is my Peter Thomas Roth. It's the Therapeutic Sulfur Mask. It's an acne treatment mask. Y'all, I probably put this on my channel 50,000 times. I love this mask. This is my go-to mask. It's been my go-to mask for years now. I would say probably over 10 years I have been repurchasing this. If you were to come into my bathroom at any given time during the year, you would definitely see this in my cabinet. Like I said, I do have acne prone skin, so I always have to have a sulfur mask, something that's going to help dry up, calm the skin, and this has been my go-to. This mask is so good, you guys. Recently, I have been breaking out like crazy, and I think I know why. I just had some really bad kind of like cystic acne. It was hurting. It just was not feeling good. They weren't little tiny pimples kind of here and there, and I do have still scars, a lot more scars left over from them. Y'all have got like a pimple on my nose. Like, I don't know the last time I've gotten one on my nose. It was just so odd. I had to go ahead and pick this up, you guys, to help calm my skin, get it back to normal. I use this probably twice a week, and I've been getting my husband to use it as well to help out with his skin. It's just so good. I leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. I just relax and let it do its thing. This is my one mask that I can always depend on. So if you are going through any hormonal acne, if your teenager's going through it, and you just need a good, reliable mask, this is the one for you. You can pick this up online at Amazon or Sephora. Helps to just purify your pores and clean them out. This is just an all-around good mask. I cannot say enough good things about it. So let me stop because I'll just keep going on and on. All right, you guys, next let's go ahead and talk hair. So I went back to an oldie. I don't even know if I want to say I went back to it because I was never using it back then as much as I am using it now, but it's the Shea Moisture Curl and Hibiscus line. This is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is the Shine Moisture Mist, you guys. I'm almost out of it, but I have been loving these on my hair, on my wigs, on my natural hair, on Isaiah's hair, on Darren's hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up the big jars because I keep buying this little bottle. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. This packs a punch combined, you guys. You get so much moisture. I have really been struggling lately with finding a good like everyday moisturizer, and I just picked this up on a whim like a month or two ago, and I've been using this stuff non-stop. My last beauty product, you guys, this is the e.l.f. color corrector in like peach or orange. I want to say it says it's peach, but it's kind of like a little bit of nope, it does say orange on here. I just use this. You guys know how I was telling you that I've been breaking out, and I do have lots of those hyperpigmentation scarring spots on my cheeks, my nose, my chin a little bit. I have been using this for weeks now, and I use it before, of course, like you use your foundation and concealer. I prime my face, then I go ahead and dot this really lightly a little underneath my eyes, And then on those spots where I need a little bit more coverage, and this just helps to conceal them a lot better. And it also helps so you don't have to use as much foundation and concealer on your skin. I also use it with this little brush. This is the Real Techniques. It's a deluxe crease brush, but I just find it works well with my color corrector. So I've been using this, you guys. Try it out. I know it could be a little bit scary because you like got all this orange on your face. I think you'll end up really loving it, and I think you'll notice a difference just like I do. All right, so that's all I have for beauty for now. My last three things are, I guess, homey kind of things. I don't know if you would consider a tripod a home type of thing, but we gonna talk about it. So with doing what I do, as in being on YouTube, Instagram, blah, 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 I take my own pictures. I have bought many a tripods, you guys. Many a tripods have come through my house. I picked it up off of Amazon, but it's so good for traveling. Not all tripods are the same. I lost the remote to this. It's somewhere in my house and I don't know where I put it. So it does come with a little remote for you to, you know, take your own pictures with or whatever. But I love how it just pulls out. It's so easy to travel with. It doesn't get snagged on anything because the surface right here is round and it's flat. You can spin it however you need to spin it. And of course it has the 3 legs right here on it. And I think it goes up to like 62 inches. It's either 60 inches or 62 inches, you guys. And then it just closes just like this. Y'all, this is like the best tripod I have ever picked up in my entire life. So good. It's sturdy. It's worth the money. So if you're looking for a good tripod, one that's going to last you, one that's also tall as well, then make sure you pick this up. I will link this down below. 2 other things that I don't have in front of me, but I'll insert them right here, you guys. So first is my shower scrubber brush, you guys. This brush is absolutely fantastic. I put it on Instagram. I put it on TikTok, I think. We have just a stand-up shower, and y'all, since we've been here up until about 2 months ago, I literally get in the shower and scrub and everything. It was such a chore cleaning the shower every week, y'all. It was a lot of work. Then I finally saw this scrub, y'all. This comes with, I think, is it 3 different heads? I think it's 3 different heads, you guys. So you can change the head on there depending on where you need to scrub. And it rotates at 2 different speeds. It cleans so well, y'all. I can't believe I waited so long to buy this. If you do not have this for yourself, for your parents, for your grandparents, whoever is scrubbing the tub, the shower, I advise you to pick it up. It makes a heck of a difference. And my last thing for this video is my new fan. I actually picked this up during Amazon Prime Day, y'all. But my husband had informed me that our electric bill was a little high up here in Connecticut. And so yeah, I needed to do something about that. So during the day, I can just stick this in front of the door to our room, and we have a nice size master bedroom for an apartment complex, so like to live in an apartment, and it can cool the room down and it keeps it cool all day long. It's not enough to keep the whole house like cool, the whole apartment cool, but it works. It has definitely saved me a lot of days from having to cut on the AC, especially if I'm just in my room all day because I work here. I basically work in our bedroom. And so I'm like, well, there's no point on me cooling Isaiah's room, the bathroom, the living room when he's at camp or whatever the case may be. And I am just here, or we're just here in our room all day long. It's so strong, y'all. It's so strong and gives the best cool air. It works really well, and I'm so glad that I picked it up. So there you guys, that's it. That is it for this video. Just want to share a few things with you guys that I've been loving. I don't know how exciting they are, but you know, I'm happy with them. I will put everything down below just so that you guys will have them. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, all that great stuff, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
If somebody's heaven, tell me who. Say my name, say my name.